In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Tradovate demo account balance. This is useful when you want to practice with different account sizes, simulate drawdowns, or test risk management in a realistic way without risking real funds. Keep in mind this process applies only to demo accounts. It won't work on live accounts, and it doesn't affect real money. Start by logging into the Tradovate platform on your desktop app or web browser. Once you're in your workspace, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. That's the application settings icon. Click it to open your platform settings. If your window is small and you don't immediately see the gear, try expanding the window or checking if the settings icon is collapsed into a menu. Inside the settings, navigate to the Accounts tab. You'll find a list of accounts associated with your login. Make sure you're looking at your demo account and not a live one. Demo accounts typically have a label that makes them easy to identify. If you don't see your demo account, confirm that you're in the correct workspace or that demo mode is enabled for your user. Next, find your demo account in the list and select Modify Balance. This option is specific to demo accounts. If Modify Balance isn't available, it usually means you've selected a live account or your view is filtered. Switch back to the demo account and try again. Now, enter the number you want to adjust by. Use a positive number to increase the balance, or a negative number to decrease it. For example, entering 10,000 adds that amount to your demo balance, while entering minus 10,000 subtracts it. This is an adjustment. It's not a total reset, so think of it as moving the balance up or down by the amount you enter. Once you confirm, the change takes effect instantly. You'll see the updated balance reflected in your account information panel right away, and it will impact margin and available buying power for your demo trades. A few tips before you start trading again. Choose a balance that matches the conditions you want to simulate, like a smaller account for tighter risk or a larger one to test scaling. If you're practicing recovery after a loss, decreasing the balance helps you rehearse discipline. If you're preparing for a funded environment, consider setting the balance to match that target. That's it. Log in, open application settings, go to Accounts, pick your demo account, click Modify Balance, and enter a positive or negative adjustment. Practice responsibly and use this flexibility to build consistency in a risk-aware way.